Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's tutorial is going to deal with the third difference between Arabic and English, which is the expansion of vocabulary through adding a combination of long and short vowels. Okay? The Arabic language allows the expansion of vocabulary through adding a combination of long and short vowels to a single root. Like, for example, write, kataba. Okay? For English, if I say the word speak, or actually the verb speak, I could come out with different paradigms. Like speaker, noun, spoke, verb to, speaking, noun or gerund again, or present participle, the verb ing continuous form. Or I could even say spoken, why not, which is the past participle of the verb. So now, basically, if we even try harder, we might come up with another paradigm. But basically, these are the four paradigms I can think of right now. The expansion, makes the Arabic language vocabulary more flexible, more accurate as well. Arabic has a three consonant root, which in this case, ka, ta, ba. Ka, ta, ba. Okay? So it has a three consonant root as its base or basis. Therefore, all words, the parts of speech that I'm going to come up with, like I did over here with English, are basically formed by combining the three root consonant ka, ta, ba, right, okay, combining the three consonant root, in this case actually kataba, with fixed vowel patterns and sometimes an affix. A speaker of Arabic would find it easy to create numerous examples of one root only. In this case, I'm going to come up with 11 examples of one single root. Okay? This advantage makes Arabic abundant. Abundant. You know what that means, abundant? Let me show you the synonym. Abundant means plentiful. Okay? With vocabulary items. This is one distinct advantage for Arabic over English. Now we're going to examine the similarities and differences between the words in Arabic and their matching meanings in English in the illustration, this illustration. We cannot exclude the fact that there are a number of similarities in English with regard to the root, right. Yet with regard to Arabic, it's a 100% match. See how many paradigms I have come up with? 11. By applying this quality, you can simply pave your way smoothly with great ease when studying Arabic for the first time. Just imagine how many paradigms you can produce from one root only. All that you have to do is to manipulate the positioning of vowels and consonants, as well as to be able to differentiate between short and long vowels. Now let's take the example. A three consonant root in Arabic, kataba. In English, the root could have vowels and consonants at the same time. As you can see, the W is a consonant, the T is a consonant, the R is a consonant, while the I and the E are vowels. Now, let's start with the first one, yaktub. This is for males actually, and taktub is for females, two different genders. In English, to differentiate between the two genders, we have to use the pronouns he and she. While in Arabic, it is so easy. All that you have to do is to change the ya, yaktub, into ta, taktub. And by this, we change the verb from being for males to females, and vice versa. From males into females, from ta into ya. As you can see, we have changed the verb, writes, from being used for males to females by just changing the first letter. While in English, like I said, the only way to differentiate between the two genders is by using the pronouns he and she. Another example. Now I'm going to consider the word writer. In English, both are the same actually. Just like writes, both are the same. But in Arabic, it's different. In English, if I would say he is a writer, she is a writer, to differentiate between the two different genders. While in Arabic, no, actually. We say kataba, كاتب كاتب. That's a long vowel actually, a long vowel. كاتب, he is a writer. That's a long vowel. كاتب. And as for females, we say long vowel, tiba, h at the end. Katiba. So to change the word writer in Arabic from being for males to for females, all that we have to do is to add the h at the end. And this is something common, by the way, for so many words. So now for verbs, we change the ya into ta. And for nouns, like writer in this case, we add h at the end. Now, number 5. Writers. Writer is a singular noun. Writers is a plural noun. كتب. كتب, many writers, not one, many writers. كتب. Okay? Now, what about number 6? Kitab, book. Books, singular and plural, as you can see. Now, kitab, long vowel, kitab, kitab, kitab. Or I say kutub, kutub, two short vowels, 2 diacritics, the dhamma. Kutub means many books. So far we have covered 7 paradigms. Number 8, when I say maktub, maktub, long vowel, maktub, that's a long vowel. Okay? This could have more than one meaning in English actually. And the same actually in Arabic. It could be like an adjective, it could be a noun. Okay? And it could be also a verb. In English, when I say maktub, it could refer to the word written, which could be a verb or an adjective. Okay? Or it could be a noun, meaning letter. So now, again, written could be a verb, which is the verb 3, the past participle, or it could be an adjective. Written statement, adjective for the word statement. I have written a statement, the past participle of the verb write. Okay? And I have sent in Arabic now, not in English. I have sent a maktub means what? Letter. Means letter. And here means letter. Again, maktub, long vowel. Maktub, maktub. Watch my lips. Maktub. Okay, now, kitaba, number 9. Kitaba, the writing, the process of writing, which in this case could be a gerund in English, or the present participle. When I say I'm writing, okay, I'm writing a sentence. Here it's the present participle of the verb write, using it in the present continuous. I was writing, I will be writing, I have been writing. All these are continuous forms, still using the same word writing. Now, here in this case, I could say kitaba, kitaba. Again, long vowel, kitaba, kitaba. Okay, long vowel, the process of writing. So far 9, 2 more to go. Maktab, maktab, mak. Again, I could add a diacritic here, which is the fatha. Maktab, maktab, which means desk, noun. Maktab. And the last one, maktaba. Do you remember the A here? Maktaba, 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 which means a library or a bookshop, which is also a noun. So now, to sum up, in Arabic, a 3 consonant root, which is ka, ta, ba. Ka, ta, ba. Again, ka, ta, ba, gave me 11 different paradigms. Let's read them again together. Kataba, yaktubu, yaktubu. No, actually. Yaktubu, taktubu, taktubu. Males or females? Katib, كاتب male. كاتبة كاتبة female. كتب كتب. By the way, this could sound the same as the past tense of the word يكتب. كتب. You should be aware of that. كتب. That's why you should have the H sound at the end. كتب. Now, كتب, while using the sukun at the end, means the past tense of the verb write. كتب. He wrote a letter. كتب رسالة. Okay, now. كتب. كتاب كتاب كتاب. كتب كتب كتب. مكتوب مكتوب مكتوب. Here like a slight ضمة. مكتوب. كتابة long vowel. كتابة. مكتب مكتب مكتب. Finally مكتب مكتب. I should add maybe a slight H at the end. Thank you for being with me in this tutorial. Our next tutorial is going to deal with the fourth difference between Arabic and English. Thank you for being with me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you.